Neurographic art is an art therapy technique. It helps you to make connections with things that are bothering you or things that you're stuck on or even things that you're really happy about that you need to express in a way that's not about words. Many people find neurographic art to be meditative and very relaxing to do. To begin, take a black marker and write the issue that you want to be thinking about while you create your art. Flip the paper over and create a line that goes across from one side to the other, all the while thinking about what it is that you're contemplating. For me, it's my battle with cancer and chemo. So the first line is thinking about when I first found out, how I was hopeful, and then things took a turn, and it was an up and down process for a long time. Then I kind of started thinking about when I actually started chemo and how I felt on different days. Days leading up to chemo, days after chemo, chemo days, and just made sure that I was going from one side of the page to the other or crossing over other lines to make interesting shapes as I went. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. You're just creating feelings on a paper. After you get finished drawing your lines and shapes, I want you to go back and anywhere that there's a cross or an intersection, round out your shape. This is what makes it neurographic art. After you round out those shapes, it resembles neurons in your brain, like in the photo I showed you during my definition. So you're making emotional connections and creating the form of neurons in our brain to really tie the two together. Do this for all of your intersections. To complete your neurographic art, you're going to add color to the spaces. You can use colored pencil, you can use watercolor, you can use marker. The possibilities are endless.